Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm sharing with you these 3 really easy Dollar Tree fall DIYs. You have some rustic pumpkins, a glam pumpkin, and this rustic bucket of pumpkins. So the first thing you're going to need is a pack of toilet paper. I told you guys this was going to be super easy. So here's a 4-pack of toilet paper from the Dollar Tree. I also have this automobile dust cloth. You'll find that in the automobile section at Dollar Tree. And first thing, I'm going to just cut this right in half. And that's how we're going to make our glam pumpkin. You can make 2 pumpkins with this one cloth. So now you'll just take a roll of toilet paper, center it in the cloth, and you're going to go ahead and tuck in all 4 corners right into the roll of the toilet paper. Super easy, guys. Then just go ahead and tuck in on the sides the cloths so they're more flush with the toilet paper. No pun intended. So now I have this cardboard roll that was just left over from my Decor mesh rolls, and that's what we're going to use for the stem. Here is the diamond wrap from Dollar Tree. This is a Halloween themed one. And I'm just measuring out to see the size I'll need to go around that cardboard stem there. And just cut off 2 pieces. Now we'll just take some hot glue and just glue that right to the top of the cardboard roll here. I went ahead and cut another piece just to fit over the top there, and that's what it looks like. So now you're just going to take your diamond wrap there and just measure to see the size you'll need for the sides of the pumpkin, and you're going to need to cut out 4 pieces. So now just add some hot glue to the edges of the diamond wrap and go ahead and just start gluing it right onto that faux fur pumpkin there. And that's it. That's that super easy glam pumpkin here. Onto the rustic pumpkins. So you'll need another roll of toilet paper, and then I have a roll of this polka dot burlap ribbon. So you're just going to take that and measure the length that you'll need. Go ahead and cut it, and I cut 11 pieces to cover the entire roll. Next, just use some hot glue and glue each of the ends right into the cardboard roll in the center of the toilet paper. And just do that all the way around, overlapping the edges. And this is what it'll look like once it's done. Next, we're going to take some cinnamon sticks. I got this pack of cinnamon sticks from the Dollar Tree, and you're just going to go ahead and glue the cinnamon sticks right into the center of the toilet paper roll. I glued 3 cinnamon sticks. So not only is it cute, you have your cinnamon scented pumpkins now. So the last step here, I just have these leaves from some faux flowers from Dollar Tree, and I just glued those right into the center as well. On to the next part of the DIY. You just need a bucket of your choice. I'm using this one here. You'll need some filler for the bottom. I'm using some tissue paper to hold the weight of the pumpkins. And then I'm going to go ahead and add that Spanish moss right on top. And then you just take your favorite pumpkins from the Dollar Tree and just assort them in the basket. These are the pumpkins I chose. I love the way these pumpkins look, and with the Spanish moss and the little bucket there, I think it came out really cute and just so simple to do. So this DIY, I just took the rest of those cinnamon sticks and glued them around this little vase here and added some popcorn kernel, and that was it for that. So here you have these two really cute rustic pumpkins made from toilet paper rolls. Everything was super easy to do, but it came out so cute. I hope you guys enjoyed these easy Dollar Tree DIYs. If you did, please give me that thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this. Share the video. And if you're new, please hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys really soon in the next video.